This model from the new 202 series stands out for its ability to lock in the highest position. Equipped with an LCD screen and a security alert system, the YR422 guarantees reliably and safely cut, uniform sections. It offers a wide range of section thickness settings, from 0 to 500 micrometers, with a minimum setting of 1 micrometer. Among the most notable technical specifications are the following: total horizontal sample feed, 30 mm, vertical sample stroke, 55 mm, blade holder base movement range, 0 to 50 mm, front to back. It stands out for its cutting precision, as it operates within a knife movement range of 0 to 20 mm and a maximum sample size of 50 × 60 mm, thus achieving a cutting accuracy of 95% effectiveness. The YR422 rotary microtome allows for precise tissue sectioning in histology. It adjusts section thickness, offers safety, and facilitates efficient work in the laboratory.